Hey guys, just another short lesson here on Google Sheets. This might be one that's kind of simplistic, but still important things to talk about. First of all, as we know, we need to give our spreadsheet a title, okay, something that's important, something that is clear and descriptive. So we are going to call this formatting sheets. And what we're going to do today, we're kind of been moving down the ribbon here as we go. So last time we were looking at different number formats. Today we're going to look at font and setting different fonts. So I'll keep it short and simple. Right here we have fonts to choose from. Okay, so what I would say about your font that you choose is pick one that is fitting to the audience of that you're trying to reach with your sheet. So in this case, I'm sharing this with students. It can be kind of fun and creative. If I was going to share this with a college professor or a teacher or use this at my job, then I might want to choose something that's a little bit more simplistic, something that's more professional. But I'm going to go ahead and pick this one here because it's kind of fun. It's called Permanent Marker. So I choose my font, and I can go ahead and give my spreadsheet or my cell here a title. Okay, so you can see this font's kind of fun. As I hit enter here, you'll notice my font changed back. So in Google Slides or Google Sheets, I may have to go back in and reset my font as I go through. Okay, so picking a font, I get a preview of what that font's going to look like, and I can pick the one that fits my need the best. So I chose Permanent Marker just because it's kind of fun. As I go through here, I can change my font size right here. All right, so let's bump it up to 14. As I change my size, the height of my row gets taller to fit. Okay, it's not going to cut off my text height-wise as I adjust it. I can go through then and I can bold or italicize. There's an option for strike through. Let's say I was making like a to-do list or a list of some sort. I could choose strike through to cross out certain items. And then I have the option to change my text color. Well, let's go ahead and go with this blue. All right, and I can make that adjustment as I go through. And I have this option in any cell that I want to work in. Of course, if I had multiple cells, what I would advise is that if I was going to make an entire spreadsheet, I would put all the information in there first, all the numbers, all the words, all the labels, everything I need, and then at the very end, I would go back and format. To me, it makes sense. The hardest part is getting the information in. So let's say we're talking about writing a paper. I would much rather type all the paper out, get all my thoughts down on paper, get everything written down, proofread it, get everything kind of almost finalized, and my last step would be now let me go through and go through kind of the part that doesn't take as much thinking, right? Or a report or a spreadsheet. Getting all the information down is the hard part. Making it look nice is the easy part, and so I always save that for the end. You can always change the way it looks at the end, and so that's why I would recommend going through these steps at the very end of your process with your spreadsheet. Okay, that's all I have for you today. My question is going to be, what type of font did I use when making this video?